like, does the IRS audit like randomly, or do they audit only when they think something fishy's going on? Like, if you know.
They do audit randomly.
Okay.
Because you can do your taxes right now, right, for 2022, and it might take them 2 years to get to your taxes, right?
But so they'll audit me from like 2020 or something? That's what you're saying?
Yeah. No. So let's say you did your taxes, right? Let's say this month, right, for last year, for 2022, and you got a crazy refund. They might not catch it right here and then, right? You got your money and everything. They might catch it 2 years later.
Got you.
Yeah. So that's the thing. It does take them some time. But.
Yeah, I think you have to keep like your like let's say you take a bunch of deductions or whatever, and they're gonna audit you. You have to have the documentation to support your taxes for I believe 7 years.
No statute of limitations for IRS. Period.
There you go. Yep.
Hence why they call it Chicago guy, gangster.
Okay. But
Listen, I just make sure everything is like, what is it? T's crossed and I's dotted.
Yeah, dot your I's across the T's.
Yeah, like I'm not playing with nobody, like especially in that aspect, because what I've learned, especially in this movement, right? A lot of organizations came out of George Floyd, right? And not to be shady, right?
Scamming.
No shade to the movement, but you have organizations where you see them in certain places, like, how you here pushing this, and yet you trying to support the family of the victims, right? And I'm starting to notice that too. Like,